The Spectrum Xumo Box uses a cloud-based DVR system for recording shows. This eliminates the need for physical storage devices. First, use your Xumo remote to access the TV guide from the home screen. Next, browse through the TV guide and select the specific show you want to record. Choose Record for a single episode or Record Series to automatically record every new episode of the show. Series recording has been improved with automatic scheduling and commercial skipping features available in select markets. The Xumo Box includes up to 250 hours of free cloud DVR storage. There's no need for a physical drive since everything is stored in the cloud. To manage your recordings, go to the DVR tab in the Spectrum app on your Xumo Box. Here, you can stream your recorded shows or download them for offline viewing using the Spectrum app. You can also manage your storage here. Your recordings are stored in Spectrum's secure cloud storage. You can also use the Spectrum app on mobile to manage the recordings. Playback features 4K streaming and easy access. Industry experts forecast growth in cloud-based recording services through 2027, and note that Spectrum Xumo Box outperforms competitors due to its free 250-hour DVR tier.